Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. This is part 7 of my MySQL. Today we are going to learn count, max, mean, sum and average function used in MySQL. The count function returns the number of rows that matches a specified criterion. The average function returns the average value of a numeric column. The sum function returns the total sum of a numeric column. The syntax are select, count, argument list, whether you put the column name which you have to get the result count from table name where specify condition if you want average. Select average column name from table where specify condition if you want. Sum also follows same criteria which already mentioned in above functions. Select sum column name from table name where condition. Now it's time to elaborate this mean and max function. The mean function returns the smallest value of the selected column and the max function returns the largest value of the selected column. The syntax are selected mean select mean column name from table name where condition if any. Max select max column name from table where specify. Now let's have a practical on system. Go on MySQL software, show databases. Today I am going to use company database. For demonstrate this function, use company show tables, select asterisk from employee. Now use count function for demonstrating the number of records available in this table. Select count function column name. For example, I am typing name from the table employee. Total 8 records available in this table. If I want to get the rename of count name at the time of result, I am using alias. For example, count name as total from employee. Now you get the result that column name rename total. This is temporarily, not permanently. Now I am using sum function for demonstrating the total sum of the salary. Select sum salary from employee. Total 1,65,000 only. Now I want to get the average of this salary column. Type select AVG of salary from employee. Average salary is 2,625. Now, min function and max function. I want to get the result of maximum value of the salary. Type select max salary or age if you want to get the maximum age of the column age or employee. Type age from salary. Salary sorry, employee. 25,000, the maximum value of the salary column. Mean 18,000, the minimum value of the salary column. If I want to get the result that number of city where the employees comes from the city distinctly, type select count distinct city. Distinct already a function from table employee. Count distinct city is 5. Let's have a look. Compare with total 5. Patna, Agra, Buxar 3. Rohtas and Sasaram 5. Total number of city distinctly 5. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.